exercise 5a problem. Second bit, sixth one. Show that the points 0, 4, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, 4, 5, 0 and 2, 6, 2 form a square. Form a square, or show that ABCD is a square where A, B, C, D are the points. 0, 4, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, 4, 5, 0 and 2, 6, 2. Show that the points form a square. Square means four sides are equal and diagonals are equal. Square means four sides are equal and two diagonals are equal. So here first of all find the four sides and two diagonals. First one, given points A point 0, 4, 1 and B point 2, 3, minus 1, C point 4, 5, 0 and D point 2, 6, 2. 2, 6, 2. Here 4 points form a square. This is the point A, B, C, D. First of all, find the length of the side AB. Means the distance between the 2 points. Number 1, the distance between the 2 points A and B. A 0, 4, 1, B 2, 3, minus 1. AB equal to A point x1, y1, z1, B point x2, y2, z2. The distance between the 2 points 2 minus 0 whole square plus 3 minus 4 whole square plus minus 1 whole square under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. AB is equal to 2 minus 0 2 square plus 3 minus 4 minus 1 whole square minus 1 minus 2 whole square. AB is equal to 2 square 4 minus 1 whole square 1 minus 2 whole square 4. AB is equal to 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 1 9. AB is equal to root 9 means 3. This is the first one. Second one, find the BC. Second one to find the BC. B point 2, 3, minus 1. C point 4, 5, 0. Let B point x1, y1, z1. C point x2, y2, z2. BC equal to the distance between the 2 points x2 minus x1 whole square means 4 minus 2 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square, 5 minus 3 whole square, z2 minus z1 whole square, 0 minus into minus plus 1 whole square under root. BC is equal to 4 minus 2, 2 square, 5 minus 3, 2 square, 0 plus 1 square. BC equal to 2 square 4, 2 square 4, 1 square 1. 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 1 9. Root 9 means 3. So BC is equal to 3. Next one, third one, find CD. Third one is CD. C point 4, 5, 0. D point 2, 6, 2. Let C point x1, y1, z1. D point x2, y2, z2. CD means the distance between the 2 points. Under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. X2 minus x1 2 minus 4 whole square. Y2 minus y1 6 minus 5 whole square. Z2 minus z1 2 minus 0 whole square under root. CD equal to 2 minus 4 minus 2 whole square, 6 minus 5 1 square, 2 minus 0 2 square under root. CD equal to minus 2 whole square 4, 1 square 1, 2 square 4. CD equal to 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 4 9. Root to 9 means 3. So CD is equal to 3. CD is equal to 3. Next one, find AD. Find AD. A point 0, 4, 1 and D point 2, 6, 2. Let A point x1, y1, z1. D point x2, y2, z2. AD is equal to x2 minus x1, 2 minus 0 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square, 6 minus 4 whole square, z2 minus z1 whole square, 2 minus 1 whole square under root. AD is equal to 2 minus 0, 2 square, 6 minus 4, 2 square, 2 minus 1, 1 square under root. AD is equal to 2 square 4, 2 square 4, 1 square 1. 4 plus 1 means 9. Root 9 means 3. So AD is equal to 3. AD is equal to 3. AB is equal to 3. BC is equal to 3, CD is equal to 3, AD is equal to 3. So 4 sides are equal. Next one, fifth one, find the diagonals. AC, A point 0, 4, 1, C point 4, 5, 0. Let A point x1, y1, z1, C point x2, y2, z2. AC is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square, 4 minus 0 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square, 5 minus 4 whole square, z2 minus z1 whole square, 0 minus 1 whole square. AC is equal to 4 minus 0, 4 square 16, 5 minus 4 1 square 1, 0 minus 1 minus 1 whole square 1, 16 plus 1 17, 17 plus 1 18. AC is equal to root 18. Again find the BD. Find the BD. B point 2, 3, minus 1 and D point 2, 6, 2. Let B point x1, y1, z1, D point x2, y2, z2. BD is equal to under root of x2 minus x1 whole square, 2 minus 2 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square, 6 minus 3 whole square, z2 minus z1 whole square, 2 minus into minus plus 1 whole square under root. Plus 2 minus 2 get to cancel. BD is equal to 6 minus 3, 3 square 9 plus 2 plus 1 3 square 9, 9 plus 9 18. So BD is equal to root 18. Observe here clearly. AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD is equal to 3 and AC is equal to BD is equal to root 18. Four sides are equal and two diagonals are equal. So, therefore, the points A comma B comma C comma D are form a square. Form a square. Therefore, 4 points form a square. This is the process. Show that the points are form a square means four sides are equal. Four sides are equal and two diagonals are equal. So, given points form a square. Given points form a square.